everybody, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have nothing on my face, completely bare face. This is how Christina actually looks on a day-to-day basis. I also wear eyeliner every day, so scratch that. I'm really excited about today's video because I'm going to be announcing the winner of the giveaway. I'm going to be doing some eye looks. We're going to review some palettes. We're going to have some fun, drink some wine. Not the wine part, actually, because yeah, I don't want to see me drunk. Anyways, I'm going to first do the eye look and the swatches, and then I'm going to do the giveaway a little later. Not going to tell you when, because I already know you're going to skip right on to the end. Don't be cheating. Let's go ahead and get started. So the two palettes that I'm going to review are these guys. I love them. This is the Beauty Creations Elsa and Olivia palette. I'm pretty sure they couldn't call it Anna because of whatever legal reason. These I've seen on so many pictures on social media, and I was just like, I need this in my life. Like, I don't even care if I never use this. I just need it in my life. Anyways, we're going to look into these two palettes and dive a little deeper. So the first one we're going to go with is Elsa. Now, this palette is absolutely beautiful. This is a sleeve color. It's, of course, blue because, of course, she's the Ice Queen. Has that pretty, like, shiny metallic look on front. And then on the back it says the ingredients. It's cruelty free. I don't know if you can see that, which is great. So when you take off the sleeve, you're going to see the Beauty Creations Elsa. Same thing on the back. Nothing different. Okay. Oh, take off the slip cover. Okay. So here she is. I'm going to bring her up close so you guys can see her. I love the collection of colors that they chose to put in this palette. The only thing that I wasn't too crazy about this palette was the fact that it didn't come with a mirror. I really just feel like it would have made the palette even more special if it would have just came with a mirror. But, I mean, it's not something I'm going to die over, but I just prefer palettes with mirrors. Just my preference. I'm going to do some swatches for you guys, and then we're going to do an eye look with this one. No idea what I'm going to do yet. I guess so many beautiful colors. Swatches, I do want to mention just a few things. This purple one, I had to actually go back in and swipe it again for it to show more, which is a little surprising because all the other metallics did amazing. Like, most of them just took one swipe and they were just gorgeous and pigmented. But other than that, they're pretty good. Now, I know you guys can't see it because I already kind of dusted it away. Some of the matte shades had a little bit of kickback, a little bit of fallout, but nothing too crazy. Most of the time, out of a matte and a shimmer, the matte will have a little bit more fallout. Of course, you don't want too much, which is what makes the difference. I really loved the way this palette swatched. It was beautiful, pigmented, it was smooth, very creamy, not chalky. It's a A+ for me so far. And yeah, that's the Elsa palette. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys her sister, the Olivia palette. Olivia. Alright, here we are. The Olivia palette. Yay! So just like the Elsa palette, it is also the same thing in the back with the ingredients cruelty free. This is the slipcover, and just like the Elsa palette, the slipcover is the same thing as the front cover of the palette. Let's open her up. There's really nothing else to say. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Hold on. Sorry. Again, there's no mirror, so but look at these colors. I know you can like find these colors probably in other palettes, but what I really like about this palette is that it's 35 shades. 35 shades in one palette. Most of the time I have like 5 different palettes and I have to take all 5 of them out to get one look because one palette has one color, another palette has another. This has a lot of colors in one palette, and that's what I really, really liked about it. I'm bringing her up closer to you guys so you can see her beauty. I love that it's this warm tone palette. I'm a sucker for warm tones. I absolutely will pick a warm tone over a cool tone palette any day. Now we're going to swatch this palette and hope that my arm doesn't fall off. I'm gonna swatch this palette and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that we finished the swatches, let's go ahead and talk about her. Now, Olivia was pretty good with the swatches, just like Elsa, very similar. There was just one shade that, again, similar to the Elsa one, that I had to go in twice with. And it was this one right here. It was a matte shade. There was, again, some kickback when I went into some of the matte shades. It wasn't extreme, but these are just beautiful, beautiful colors. I really fell in love with this gold and this color right here. All of them really swatch really pretty, so we're gonna have some fun making some eye looks with this. And just want to remind everyone that I am not a makeup artist. Okay, I'm just a beauty enthusiast who really just enjoys playing with makeup and putting on some eye looks. I myself am learning as well. I'm gonna do some simple looks and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, before we go and look at what I did with the Olivia palette, I think it's time that we figure out who won the second prize to the giveaway. So I wrote down every single person's name, those who follow the rules correctly, from 1 all the way to 53. I thought that it was a pretty good number, especially for my first giveaway. So enough talking, let's figure out who won second prize to this giveaway. Now I went on Google to try to find the best, random selector giveaway, program that I could find. And I found one that I actually really liked. It's called random.org. And basically what the site asks me to do, it tells me to put the minimum number and the maximum number. So in this case, I put you guys in the order in which you entered. So if you were number 1, that means you were the first one to enter the giveaway, all the way on to 53, which was the last person to enter. Okay, so I'll put in 1 and 53, and then I hit generate, and I see what number pops up. So again, this is for the second prize, and enough talking, let's figure it out. So let's put 1 and 53. Okay, generate. Let's do this. Wow, okay, so the winner is 25, number 25. Let's see who that is. Jenica Delgado. Congratulations, here you are, 25. Congratulations, you won second prize. So, alright, let's go right into the look. So, Olivia, we're going to jump into the grand prize winner in a little bit. Stay tuned. So before we go ahead and jump on into the reviews of the palettes, I wanted to go ahead and do the grand prize giveaway winner. So we're going to go ahead and use that same site, random.org. We're going to generate one more time. Number 39, let's see who that is. Bella Marcella, here you are, 13-9, congratulations. Now friends, if you did not win, please don't feel sad, don't unsubscribe. I'm gonna have a lot more. These are just random things that I cannot control, so please don't kill me. So if you won, I'm going to message you. You guys have 48 hours to answer me. If you don't answer me by then, I'm gonna do this generator thing again, and I'm gonna give it to whoever pops up. So 40 hours, hit me back up and I will, you know, send you your stuff. I have plenty of bubble wrap, like a lot of bubble wrap. Okay, there was one other thing that I forgot to mention. The Sahara palette won. I ordered it, it's coming in, so once it comes in, I'm going to wrap that bad boy up again, and then I'm gonna ship your stuff out to you guys. Alright, let's find out what I thought about the palettes, and then stay tuned for the surprise at the end of the video. Don't skip that. Okay, so I just finished doing my entire face. I'm looking like 8 shades crazy right now because I have two different eye looks. This look from the Olivia palette, this look from the Elsa palette. Overall, my thoughts on these palettes, it's definitely worth, you know, the $20. I got it as a bundle, so 20, 20, 40. I spent $40 for 70 shades. Now, I know you guys got to see that I had a little bit of the fallout for the blue here. It was like all over this part and I was just like, oh. But it wasn't as bad when I was pressing it in with a wet finger. Once figuring out how to use it, it was no problem. Sometimes you have to remember that some eyeshadows, it's better to go in with a wet brush or it has to be pressed or whichever. Some palettes, they do express that in the back, but this palette doesn't have anything in the back like that. So it really was just a guess and check. But other than that, I like the way it came out. I'm still learning, so don't go crazy, you know, in the comments. That's what I think. Let me know what you guys think about these palettes down below. If you can get your hands on an Elsa Olivia palette, which one would you choose? Would you choose Olivia? Would you choose Elsa? Olivia or Elsa? Okay everyone, so now it's time to announce the surprise, and I think most of you guys might have guessed what it was. The surprise is there's another giveaway. I'm going to show you guys what's in this giveaway. Just like the other giveaway, you have another chance of BYS Highlighter Palette and BYS Peach Palette, the BYS Cheek Blush Palette, LA Colors I Love Makeup Contour Palette, the Sunset Kiss Dear Diaries series by the Ruby Kisses Wet n Wild Illuminating Highlighter, the Global Beauty Care Charcoal Cleansing Nose Strips, 3 come in this pack, so yay. The LA Colors Blending Sponge, can't have enough of these, swear. 2 of the BYS Metal Lipsticks in silver and in bronze, the Wet n Wild Renegade Mascara, the LA Colors, Metal Eye Pencil Set, and a black one as well. You get lilac, silver, bronze, blue, white, and then the regular standard black. The black isn't metal, but the rest are. LA Colors Metal to Max Metallic Lip Gloss. And the last one is the LA Colors Mermaid Magic Nail Polish. Yeah, that is the other giveaway. Now, something else will be included in this giveaway, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. You'll have to find out in the next video. See what I did there? I hope you guys are excited, because I'm excited. I like giving things away. You guys got to see me around Christmas time. Freaking Santa. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, because I had a headache making it. Kidding. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.